Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, we are seeing positive signals from the US market, but the Asian markets are a bit mixed. Few markets are positive and other are negative. US futures are also indicating positive trend, whereas commodities are seeing a bit negative trend, as we are seeing dollar index moving up marginally. So that is having some impact on the Asian market and also the commodity. Oil is down by around 0.5%, and also uh, iron ore is down by 1%. Aluminum and copper are also seeing some corrections. So bit profit taking day seems like, so quite possible in Indian market also we may see similar trend of some profit booking as we had seen a reasonably good run in recent past. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a flattish note and we're likely to witness some sideways momentum during the day. On the technical front, as we are daily quoting that the Nifty is making a new highs, and yesterday, it has maintained a good closing about 24,550 levels, which gives some sort of a positive sign as well. But for the today intraday purpose, as of now, the first support is placed at around 24,520. Below that level, 24,400 can be act as a strong support level, whereas the resistance is placed at around 24,640. If Nifty surpasses that level, then we're likely to witness a new high towards 24,400, 700, 24,770. Coming towards the bank Nifty, for today intraday purpose, 52,800 and 53,000 are the crucial resistance level, whereas the support is placed at around 52,340 and 52,000. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, support is placed at around 23,610, 23,470, whereas the resistance is placed at around 23,850, 23,940. The view is remains positive on the Nifty as well as on the Bank Nifty side, as long as Nifty sustains about 24,200 level, whereas the Nifty major support lies at around 52,000 psychological mark. So one should can hold their long positions by maintaining the strict stop losses. Coming towards the stock specific, Prism Cements look good on the technical front. The stock has given the good breakout. We believe that one should go long above 173.50 by maintaining a strict stop loss of 167 for a target of 185. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as you are seeing that a continuously uptrend has been continued in the market, and the OI positions are continuously getting added near the ATM strike. As per the yesterday position, also we are seeing that a 24, 500 and 600 strike put at a position got added up sharply. The next resistance for the Nifty lies directly towards the 24, 850 to 24, 900 level. Once Nifty comes near 24, 900 level, at that point of time, we might witness some profit booking, but till the time Nifty is not going below 24,400 level, till that point of time, we should hold the long positions, as the overall data seems to be on the positive side. While on the stock specific front also and the sector specific front also, we are seeing that on the daily basis continuously buying has been witnessed from the major sectoral fronts also. While PCR yesterday closed at 1.33 level, it closed at a strong note. From many days we are witnessing that the PCR comes near 1.20 to 1.25 level, and we might again see some liquidations on the PCR front towards the 1.7 1.05 level. But in yesterday's session, PCR closed at the strong point, and we are expecting the PCR to shoot up towards the 1.45 to 1.48 level on the upside level. At that point of time, we will also see if PCR comes near 1.45 level, then Nifty is also likely to hit near 24,800 level. While India VIX yesterday closed at 14.19 level, again India VIX is trading on the flattish note, so there is not much of a change from the India VIX, due to which we might expect the volatility on the lesser front in coming days of trading session. Once if India VIX goes above 17 level, then only we might see to volatility to get increased in the near term, but till the time it's not going above 17 level, till that point of time we might expect some stability in the market towards the positive side. While on the stock specific and sector specific front, counter that looks positive in today's trading session will be ONGC, HDFC, AMC, Apollo Tyre. These three counter looks positive in today's trading session. So that's it from Value Different. Thank you.
Good morning. On the result side, HDFC AMC result is in line with expectation. AUM grew by 9.6% sequentially versus industry growth of 9.1%. So company increased its market share by around 10 basis points for the second quarter in a row. So this is a good sign. Revenue grew by 11% sequentially. Profits grew by 12%. So this is higher than the AUM growth. This is mainly because of equity AUM growing faster than the overall AUM, and the share of equity AUM in total AUM went up by 120 basis points quarter on quarter and stands at 61%. For comparison's sake, last year this mix was at 51%. So it has been a good increase in the equity AUM. We are positive on HDFC AMC and feel that stock can outperform. HDFC Life Insurance result is in line with expectation. APE grew by 6% year on year, while VNB grew by 18% on the back of improvement in VNB margins to 29% against last year's 26%. Stock is trading at 2.8 times price to EV. We are positive from long-term perspective. Angel One result is okay. Revenue grew by just 3.5% sequentially. EBITDA and profits declined by 11% and 14% sequentially on the back of higher other expenses, which includes IPL sponsorship of 114 crores. View on the stock is negative as we expect some action from SEBI to curb retail participation in F&O, which is likely to come soon and which will impact discount brokers more than the traditional brokers. Geo Financial Services result is okay. Revenue and profits are broadly flattish since last few quarters. Company continues to build up the four business pillars of lending, leasing, payments, insurance, and investments. Some of the business developments include, for example, in Geo Finance, company has commenced vendor financing. In Geo Payments Bank, it expanded the BC business, that is business correspondents network, and has received approval to set up 16,000 BC outlets. Company has also launched digital auto and two-wheeler insurance on Geo Finance app. We are positive on Geo Financial from long-term perspective. Thank you.
Good morning. Styrenix Performance Materials Limited posted the results, and the results has improved. Revenue grew by 16.7% on a sequential basis and 29% on a YY basis. It has observed 20% volume growth on a YY basis. In terms of profitability, EBITDA margin reported at 12.8% versus 9.4% in the same quarter last year. The company has focused on the better product mix and also strengthened its position in the specialties and added new grades during the quarter. That has helped them to improve the margins during the quarter. The stock is trading at a PE of 20.6 times to TTM EPS, and our outlook is positive based on the result. We'll provide the further insights from today's con call. Hatsun Agro Product Limited result has improved. Revenue grew by 10% on a YY basis, and EBITDA margin reported at 13.9%, which improved from 11.1% in the same quarter last year. The stock is trading at a PE of 73 times to FY25 EPS. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning. Bank of Maharashtra result has improved. PAT grew by 47% YOY. Advances grew by 19% YOY, 2.7% QOQ. NII came at rupees 2,800 crore, grew by 20% YOY and 8.3% QOQ. Provision came at 950 crore versus QOQ 942 crore. Slippage ratio came at 1.2% versus QOQ 1.1% and YOY 1.3%. Bank gave some guidance for current year. Advances will grow at 18 to 20%, CASA 12 to 15%, interest income growth 18%, NIM 3.75 to 3.9, non-interest income 15 to 20%, cost to income below 40, ROA 1.5 to 1.6%, and credit cost is around 1%. So bank is launching new mobile app version, taking initiatives to onboard clients easily on digital channel with video KYC, and focusing on strengthening products and improving onboarding process. Bank is trying to increase deposits and credit growth by strengthening relationships with existing client and acquiring new customers. Bank is focusing on migrating from KCC loans to investment credit for better agricultural NPA management. Positive impact on credit cost and ROE due to strong improvement in agricultural NPA. Credit portfolio growth target is 18 to 20%. And bank aims to expand into new areas and consider entering new sectors to enhance its significance, continuously evaluating performance and growth targets with a focus on retail advances and preferred sector like infrastructure and renewables. Bank is proactively making extra provisions for potential future challenges. The bank has added 300 crores in provisions, aiming to strengthen the balance sheet and prepare for any future challenges. So overall outlook is a positive. Thank you.
Yeah, HUL has sold its water purifying business, uh, the water purifying business for 601 crore. The turnover of that division was 293 crores, so almost around two times sales they had sold. Uh, it was on the radar of HUL to sell that business, and the sale was to SOA Smith company. The impact on Eureka Forbes is much larger brand, and they are the market leader. Share is trading somewhere at around 4.4 times sales, and are seeing good improvement in profitability in the recent past. Though the sale of this division by HUL is at lower price, what we see that the impact on Eureka Forbes valuation will not be larger, considering that they are the largest brand and also had shown double-digit revenue growth in the recent past. So we don't see any major impact on the Eureka Forbes on this account. Could be some marginal corrections may be possible in today's trade. So that's all from us. And I request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session also, we are expecting gold and silver prices to trade in a positive territory. Gold one can initiate a buy around 73,500 with a stop loss of 73,200. On upside, we are eyeing for 73,850 to 74,100. Silver, we are expecting prices to test 93,800 to 94,000 on the upside. So buying on dips around 92,500 to 300 is recommended with a stop loss of 91,500. And in copper, prices can pull back. Prices are supportive at 850 to 853. So buy with a strict stop loss of 848. And on upside again, 860 to 863 is the target where one can exit the call. In zinc also, there is a consolidation from 276 to 272. So one can trade within this range. And in crude oil, we are expecting prices to test 6800 to 6750 on the downside. So for trading purpose, one can initiate a sell around 6880 and maintain a stop loss of 6950. And natural gas prices are continuously drifting down, and we are expecting prices to test 180 to 175 on the downside. So, if prices are sustaining below 185, then further correction is expected. Else, if 185 is holding on in closing basis, then we might see a pullback till 195. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.